The Gilson Porta-Screens are rugged, lightweight, portable screen shakers that are designed for efficient particle separation of materials in the 2-inch to number 16 range, but can effectively process materials to number 200. Please note, to access the motor, you only need to remove the front and rear case cover, with the upper case covers still attached to them. For this demonstration, we will remove all case covers individually. To replace the motor of a Porta-Screen, first, remove all screen trays and disconnect the unit from its power source. To remove the case covers, you start with the upper case covers by loosening the 8 screws. Now, set the upper case covers and screws aside. To remove the front and rear covers, you first lower the unit close to the floor by depressing the foot leveling tabs. This will bring the unit's feet close to level with the main frame. Note, the 3 leg leveling assemblies are attached to the case covers, 2 to the front case cover and 1 to the rear case cover. Once you remove the case covers, the unit will stand on its main frame. Caution should be taken when removing the case covers and balancing the unit on the main frame. Also note that the digital timer is attached to the front case cover. Take caution when removing the front case cover as not to stretch the connecting wire between the timer and the unit. Now, remove the 6 screws of the rear case cover and set the rear case cover and screws aside. Next, remove the 6 screws of the front case cover and carefully set the case cover close to the unit as not to stretch the digital timer wiring. The unit now should be standing on its main frame. You now have access to the Porta-Screen's motor for replacement. Now loosen the motor mounting screws and move the motor up to loosen the tension on the drive belt. Then, remove the drive belt from the motor pulley. Now, disconnect the power wiring from the motor. Helpful hint: take a picture of the wiring connections before disconnection. Now set the front cover aside. Next, make sure the clamp lever is down and then set the unit on its side with the motor at the bottom. This will allow easier access to the motor mounting screws. Now remove the 4 motor mounting screws, flat washers, and lock washers, and remove the motor. Position the new motor onto the motor mounting plate, then return the screws and washers. Tighten, but do not fully tighten the screws. Now return the unit to its upright position. Next, position the drive belt over the motor pulley. Now adjust the tension of the drive belt by moving the motor up or down until correct tension is achieved. Then, tighten the motor mounting screws. Recheck the drive belt tension, not too tight nor too loose. Next, position the front cover and timer wiring close to the motor. Reconnect the power wiring to the motor and then return the power wire cover. Now you are ready to return the case covers. To attach the case covers on the Porta-Screen, assemble in reverse order. Please note that since the unit is sitting on its main frame, you may need to tilt the unit so screw holes align between the frame and the front and rear case covers. A second hand may be needed, or support the main frame with bracing. Loosely screw in each screw until all screws are in place. Then tighten all screws on the front and rear case covers. Next, reattach the upper case covers. For any questions about replacing the motor for your Porta-Screen or for any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson technical support team.